This one-pan vegetable chow mein is quick, easy, and made with everyday ingredients. Everything comes together in a single pan, and it's ready in just a few minutes. Simple cooking, big comfort. Toss again until the noodles are evenly coated and everything smells fragrant. Let it cook for another minute, just until the noodles heat through and soak up all the flavor. And that's it, a simple, satisfying one-pan vegetable chow mein, light, flavorful, and easy to make at home anytime. If you enjoy simple one-pan meals like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.